Hey guys, it's Cam with TekamoHD. We're here at Bauma 2022. I'm here with Anders at the Engcon booth, and we're going to show you some of the attachments, some unique stuff, especially for like our North American viewers. We don't see a lot of this, so we want to give you guys a peek at this. So if you want to take it away, Anders.
Certainly. So Anders Smith here, I'm the head of sales at Engcon. So behind us, we got a Kubota KX080 with a full Engcon setup. It's set up like all the systems that we currently sell in Canada and the US, with a quick coupler on the end of the stick and then a sandwich solution tilt rotator with a quick coupler on top and beneath the tilt rotator. So we have full automatic hydraulic connectors in the quick coupler on the stick of the machine and on top and below the tilt rotator. So with this setup, it's possible to run hydraulic attachments directly on the stick of the machine, like a hammer, for example, or a grapple. But it's also possible to run hydraulic attachment like a grapple or a plate compactor beneath the tilt rotator. If you take a look here in the booth behind me, we have an assortment of both mechanical tools, like buckets that we provide in various sizes and shapes. Most common and most popular is our grading buckets, but we also do trenching buckets, cable buckets, and digging buckets, of course, and some other odd geometries. On top of that, we have a full assortment of hydraulic tools. The most popular ones here would be the hydraulic pallet forks and the SG grapple that could be used for moving rocks or timber or other things on a job site. But it's also possible to buy top brackets with our easy oil block, which means that you can convert pretty much any hydraulic attachment to fit directly on a quick coupler on the machine or below the tilt rotator.
Do you want to touch on the hydraulic quick coupler? Because that's something that caught my eye, like as a mechanic. It's a very cool setup. So you can actually couple and uncouple the hydraulic component of the attachment without any locking collar, getting out of the cab, anything like that. If you're in North America, oftentimes you've got the quick coupler, the Stucci style or the flat face, and you got a collar, you're getting out of the cab. Their system and a lot of the systems we're seeing use a quick coupler, a flat face coupler, and you said that was actually patented, right?
Yeah, so the part of what we call the easy oil, the automatic hydraulic connections, is one of the things that we have a patent on. Yeah. But like you touch on, the fully hydraulic quick coupler is actually one of the key selling features of our system. And like you're on to here, we have two parts of it really. To me, it's the quick coupler on the machine. It's an S-type coupler, so a geometry that a lot of coupler manufacturers use here in Europe and that's starting to spread across the US. It's fully hydraulic, so as you say, you can unlock it and maneuver it from inside the cab, which means that switching tools without having to get out of the cab. Yeah. In the US and Canada, this is where we see a large part of the benefit come from, really. Yeah. Instead of getting out of the cab, knocking out pins or struggling with the manual hoses and so on, you do everything from within the cabin in a matter of seconds. And behind me, you can see our demo driver, currently Martin here. He runs this, changes attachments a couple of times a minute all throughout the day. So this is really one of the aspects that we see a lot of customers in the US and Canadian market really highlight, where they gain efficiency and they save a lot of time every day not having to get out of cab for that.
Yeah, so we've been watching the demo here, and he's like you said, he's changing his coupler attachment hundreds of times today. There's no better way to kind of showcase the durability in that, right? Like, they're working in a dirt pit. It's like anything, you're not going to put a dirty coupler on, so occasionally you might have to wipe your couplers, but otherwise it's pretty well done from the cab when you're going from a hydraulic attachment to another hydraulic attachment, right? The coupler faces stay clean and it's minimal manual interference from the operator. So.
No, I mean, like you say, anything will get dirty in our industry. And like you say, we recommend wiping it up a couple of times a day when you do the manual inspection. Yeah. Or if you're changing from, say, a digging bucket in a dirty environment, you're going to start using a hydraulic tool, you wipe it off. But we had a chat together with one of our end users in Canada so I mean, don't take my word for it. Go out and ask somebody using it every day. And I think we got a testimonial there that it's actually working. And I mean, we're based out of Sweden. We have really rocky soil, harsh conditions. So this is meant to last. Yeah. It's not built just to be good on video. And it's been around in the Nordic countries for 30 years now. So we have a lot of machines. We have a lot of systems that's been out there for 10 plus years. So it's made to last.
Well, thank you very much, Anders. We really appreciate
your time. Thank you, Cameron.
And showing us the product. And yeah, if you want more, Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys want to see. This is Engcon and Bauma 2022. And I'm Cam with TekamoHD. Follow TekamoHD News for updates by the day. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon.